I'm going to start. We're going to solve the worksheet together, okay? The worksheet is related to our lesson about plants. Why do we need plants? We all know that animals also need plants. Before I start solving the worksheet, I want to ask Ali Zamat, can you tell me why animals need plants? Why animals need plants? Who can tell me?
Me.
Ali. Yalla Ali Zamat, tell me. Why do animals need plants?
Animals need plants because food and shelter.
Bravo, for food and shelter. Abbas, why do we need plants?
Yes. We need plants for our garden to smell nice.
Yes, okay, for our garden to smell nice. For food.
And to eat.
Yes, to eat yum yum healthy food. And for furniture, for clothing, for yes, for food, for papers, for pencils, because the pencil is made up of wood, right? So it's made up of plants.
Yeah.
Okay, now if you don't have the worksheet, just listen to me. And if you have any question while I'm explaining, please you let me know. I'm going to start with Rawad. The first exercise in the worksheet.
I did the worksheet yesterday.
What?
I did the worksheet yesterday.
Excellent. So now you have to check your answers. And if you have any question, you will let me know. Rawad, the first exercise, we have to circle the items that we can get from plants. Okay. What is the first thing? What can you see?
A chair.
Or, okay, a chair. It's made up of wood, right? It's a wooden chair. So
Miss,
do we get it from plants or no?
Yes.
Yes, we get it from plants. So we have to circle the first item. Thank you, Rawad. Jessica, can you see the papers?
Yes.
Papers. Do we get the papers from plants or no?
Yes.
We get papers from plants. Excellent. Rosie.
Yes, miss.
Can you see the t-shirt? Do we get our clothes, our cotton clothes from plants or no?
No, we don't get it. That is very sick.
We get clothes from plants, from the cotton plant. And I explained this one in the previous Zoom session. We get our clothes from plants, from the cotton plant. Okay?
But I didn't watch.
And now you know that we get our clothes from plants, okay? We have a plant called the cotton plant.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask Asil Salhab. After Asil Salhab, Asil Hijazi. Asil Salhab, can you see the plate of fish?
Yes.
Do we get the fish from plants?
No.
From what? From toys? Or fish is an animal?
Yes.
Bravo. Now Asil Hijazi. Thank you, Asil Salhab. Asil Hijazi. Can you see the cookie?
Yes.
Do we get it from plants?
Yes.
Can you explain?
It needs flour. It needs
Bravo.
flour, and flour is from oil.
Bravo. From the wheat plant. Excellent. So we have to circle the wood, paper, the cloth, and the cookie. Any question?
No.
Okay, now let's move on to the second exercise. I'm going to start with Lana Hajo. We have some items here. We have the milk, we have bread, we have egg, we have chicken, and we have ketchup.
Miss, which page?
It's not in the science book. This page is not in the science book, okay? It's only in the worksheet. Lana, food items from plants. First, we have the milk. We get the milk from plants or animals?
Animal.
Animals. From the bird? Do you know from which animal?
Yeah.
Can you tell me?
The cow.
Bravo, the cow or the goat. Okay. Carlos, the bread. We get bread from plants or animals?
Plants.
Plants. Can you explain from which plant? From the pine tree, for example?
From the plants, it's the flower.
It's called the wheat plant. Excellent. The wheat plant. Luna Karaoni. The egg. We get the egg from plants or animals?
Animals.
From which animal? From the cow?
Hen.
Okay, bravo. Hussein Hatoum. The chicken. From plants or animals?
What?
The chicken. We get the chicken from plants?
No.
From what?
From animals.
From animals. Excellent. Celine. The ketchup. We get the ketchup from plants or animals?
Plant. Tomato.
Bravo, from the tomato. So I'm going to repeat. I'm going to repeat this exercise. I'm going to start with Natalie. Natalie, the milk from plants or animals? After Natalie, I'm asking Abbas.
لا علي صوتك بس. Milk animals.
Bravo. From which animal, ya Natalie?
من وين؟ من اللي بيعصم الميل؟ شو اسمه بالانجلش؟
Cow.
Cow.
Cow. Abbas, the bread. And you have to explain how we make bread. Can you? But tell me first, from plants or animals?
Plant.
Okay, can you tell me how? From which plant and?
They're made from flour, so they made
Flour from which plant? From the tomato tree? From the banana tree, right?
no.
Okay, from which plant? Can you tell me?
Wheat.
Excellent. From the wheat plant, we get flour. Then we add some water and whatever. Then we bake it.
And then we make bread.
Bravo. And we can make also the pizza. Muhammad Shaib. Thank you, Abbas. The egg.
Yes.
From plants or animals?
Plants.
Egg from plants. From which plant? Okay, Saib is going to help us. Saib. Saib. Okay, Ali and or Raha. No, Ali. Let's say we get the eggs from plants or animals. No one is gonna tell me. Hadi.